Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss Block 15 LP4 Writing for a Purpose. Aim of today's class is to write paragraphs for different purposes. Keywords are author's purpose, to entertain, to inform, to persuade. Read these three sentences. A story of a brave girl who left her home to build a career for herself in a city of strangers. Second one is a letter of a girl to her parents giving reasons why she should be allowed to go to a different state for a job. Third one is a job posting in a newspaper that tells about a job opportunity in a different state. What will be described in the story? The story will describe the experience and struggles of a girl who left her house for her career. Since the author is sharing an experience, its purpose is to entertain. What will be written in the letter? In the letter, the girl must have given reasons to persuade her parents to allow her to work. The author's purpose is to persuade. What will be written in the job posting? The job descriptions in the newspaper gives information about the job opportunity. The author's purpose is to inform. So, what is the author's purpose in all the three writing pieces? So, in all the three writing pieces, the author's purpose is to entertain, to persuade, to inform. Next, we go for analysis part. So, part 1 activity discussion. What is the purpose of writing your paragraph? So, the purpose of writing paragraph is to entertain, or to inform, or to persuade. Next, we go for part 2 generalized discussion. So, what kinds of details will we include if we are writing to inform, if you are writing to persuade, if you are writing to entertain? So, the purpose decides what is written in a paragraph. So, if you are writing to entertain by sharing an experience, we will include details such as how we felt and support these feelings with examples. If we write to inform, we will present facts and spread awareness about a topic. If we want to persuade, we write our opinion or point of view and give reasons to convince the reader that what we believe it is right. Next, we go for part 3 higher order thinking. For which writing purpose would you use personification and why? So, personification is used to make the description more interesting and fun to read. It is usually not used to inform or to persuade. It is most often used to entertain. For example, I was so hungry in the meeting that I could see burgers dancing in front of my eyes. So, here he has given human quality in the burgers. So, burgers are dancing. Means here it has been given the human quality. So, this is called personification. Next, we go for application. So, you have to complete yes 4 from English workbook volume 2 of page number 38. Here, the question number 1 is write a paragraph to tell a story about breaking a rule in the library. Dear students, you have to write a story. In that story, you have to write breaking a rule in the library. So, there are so many rules are there in the library. So, you have to write a story what happened when you break a rule. Second one is write a paragraph to tell your classmates why you like or don't like the class rule of changing the monitor of the class after every 2 months. See, in your class monitor is there. So there is a rule of changing class monitor after every 2 months. So this one, if you like, means you should write the reason why you like this. If you don't like, for that also you should write the reason. Third one is give an appropriate title to the paragraph. I will read the paragraph. There are certain rules that have been prepared for the benefit of the people. Drivers, cyclists, pedestrians, and others are recommended to follow them carefully. Traffic signals or stoplights are positioned at intersections. They are used to indicate whether it is safe or not, whether it is safe to walk or not. There are some hand signals that traffic policemen use. People need to have an understanding of the same. So you have to give an appropriate title to this paragraph. So the title is Follow the Traffic Rules. So this completes your block 15 S4. Thank you one and all.